Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on coordinate mismatch error or extend boundary errors, generally known as error 001566. These are errors caused by fail to create raster database. The reason could be the grid feature is outside the raster extent. Now maybe the causes could be, these are the causes. Maybe some data will move out of stage. Maybe the savings, the original saving definition item will move into a different folder. That could result of it. Then unable to locate the rightful folder of the database. Then they mismatch the coordinate system of your DEM and your shapefile. Could also be the cause of this error, because when the DEM, the data elevation, and the shapefile are having different coordinate systems, they are not matched, therefore they cannot clip to each other. So therefore this can result to these errors, or making mistakes in savings that have to do with a missing data set, or deleting the working shapefile while you are using it on your clip raster can also result to these errors. So the missing informations that result to this error must be corrected appropriately. Because once missing information affects the entire process, which must start afresh. Can see the error is still there. This doesn't mean that we are still making use of the old shapefile. We are still making use of the old shapefile. Now this shapefile you are seeing here, the Bonnie land, I will soon close the systems and then reboot everything again and then add it back. You find out that something is missing on this shapefile. This shapefile have been moved to unknown destination, unknown shapefile, unknown folder, that result to this error. Now if you look at this topography here, now when I switch off, reboot everything, this symbol here, this sign you are seeing here, will be reflecting on this shapefile, missing, showing that something is missing. The misaligned coordinate systems, and then these savings items, these original savings, can see have been moved to unknown folder, a older folder. So I have moved it out. Now I have added a new shapefile, which I will be using to test run this process. Now this new shapefile, now here is the solution. I have added a new shapefile and I've allowed it or put it on that color. So now I'm going to fill this shapefile with color, then add it out to my DEM, data elevation model. Then check the coordinate system, match up the project, and then verify the alignment. Once these things are put in place and segmented, the script are going to be, the processing of this script is going to be smoothly without the error 001566. So once we explain, know that something is wrong. It's either the coordinate system had not matched, or you are using different shapefile, thinking you are using the original one, will also result to this error. So without wasting much of our time, let's call it Bunny Crib. Then I will add on TIF, save. Then I will tick on use test run. Thank you. So you can see now, here now the run process has turned to green, meaning that he has successfully run. Carry out the process, the task. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for other solutions and other videos. So I would like to untick the original DEM. You can see how you have bunny clip is here. So I will untick so that we can see the new clip clear. Can I see it now? This is because the coordinate system have been aligned, the projection have been matched, and then they have verified the alignment. Everything have been aligned. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for other videos and solutions to other problems that may occur in GIS processing. Stay tuned for more of my videos. Please, if you are not subscribed, please do that. Like and share. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.